With cooling temperatures, it's time to start thinking about winterizing your units. Today we're going to be winterizing an ATC Game Changer. Some of the items that you're going to need for this: a couple of jugs of antifreeze, you're going to need a socket, most of them are 1 1/16. Then you're going to need a winterizer hose. The first step we're going to do is go in and we need to bypass the hot water tank. So let's go inside. Alright, step one, so you need to locate your hot water tank. In this particular unit is right here inside the front bedroom, and you're going to bypass it. So the bottom one is going to be off, the top one is going to be off, and then you want to turn the middle one in line. So now we have bypassed the hot water tank, and now the second step is to go outside and take out the anode rod so we can empty the hot water tank. Let's go. As you're heading out here to get to the outside of the hot water tank, you want to go ahead and drain your fresh water tank. Just flip that valve right there and that'll drain all the water out of your fresh water tank. Then we'll come over here to the outside of your hot water tank. The first thing you want to do here is relieve this pressure. So just pull this pressure release valve and stand back. So once that pressure is released, now is when you want to take your anode rod out. All right, step three, you want to find the winterizing port. It's the white valve here. This one is located right below the hot water tank. The ATCs do not come with the hose for winterizing, so you either need to make one or buy one. But if you make one, you want to get the male end of a water hose. Just cut it off about 3 or 4 foot. Get it down into the antifreeze jug. And now we can go inside and start getting the antifreeze coming through the lines. All right, now before you go to the sinks and start turning the faucets on, you want to locate where your pump is, and that's going to be where your antifreeze will be coming in. You're going to have 3 valves down here. Locate the valve that's coming in from the antifreeze. That valve needs to be turned on. The one right below it needs to be turned off. This one right here, just leave it off. And now we can go to the kitchen sink and get the antifreeze coming through. All right, now that we've got all your fresh water and your hot water heater drained out, we've got your pump turned in line, come over here to the panel and turn your water pump on. And now we can go over here to the kitchen sink. When you get to the kitchen sink, you want to do cold by itself and hot by itself. So start with cold, and you want to let it run until you start seeing pink come out. Another good tip is while you're doing this, you want the antifreeze jug sitting out far enough to where you can see it. That way you can look out the window. When you see pink coming out, stop it, turn it to hot, and turn it on. You're going to see pink right at the first. It's going to get clear again, and then we're going to wait on the pink again. When it gets pink, you can stop it there. And now we'll go to the bathroom. Once we're in the bathroom, we're just going to repeat the process in the sink and the shower and the toilet. Turn it just on cold. Wait till you see pink, turn it off, turn it over to hot. Turn the hot on. See pink. We're going to do the same thing in the shower. You want to hold it down here near the drain, because if you don't, you're going to have antifreeze all over the place. Turn it all the way to cold. Turn it on till you see pink. Turn it off, over to hot. And wait till it comes out pink. Right there. Your shower is winterized. Now you want to go to your toilet. Lift it up, step on the pedal. Same exact thing. You see pink. And now on this particular toy hauler, there is an outside water spigot. Some of them have an outside water spigot, some of them have an outside shower. So this one just has an outside water spigot. We'll go out there and winterize it now. Now that we're outside, we've located our outside water spigot. Just turn it on, same thing. Wait till you see pink. Good and pink right there. Turn it off. And now we have officially winterized our ATC Game Changer.